Now, Joel Senyonyi, the leader of opposition today, one time published a story saying that he received a picture from Mbarara and there is a patient who was sleeping on a bed with no mattress. So we want to find facts if that picture is really from Mbarara Hospital. You go on Google, you tap here, then you go to upload a file. It's uploading a file. So now, when you see, there are very many stories and very many links. So we had to scroll down and check thoroughly so that we can have correct information. So you can see where PesaCheck is. It is a credible and a reliable organization that does fact-checking. Now, we had to open and read through. So when you read through, they will show you the picture is not true, that it came from Mbarara, and now the story has 3 parts. For Joel Senyonyi, he said it is from Mbarara. When you read here, PesaCheck is saying the picture is not from Kasese because others published it as a picture from Kasese. But in real sense, this picture is from a certain hospital in Nigeria.
So the Google reverse helped us to verify this particular image, and it debunks what is said here. Though as in the post it says this picture was sent to him showing a patient in Mbarara, the claims are false. The picture was from a hospital in Nigeria and not Uganda.